Assalamualaikum class, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Today we will start our reading from page number 7 from our new topic, keyboard. Keyboard is an input device. You can type alphabet, numbers, words and sentence by using a keyboard. You all have to put your finger on your topic keyboard and you have to start reading with me. Keyboard is an input device. You can type alphabet, numbers, words and sentences by using a keyboard. They are saying that keyboard is input device that it gives instructions to the computer to type any word, numbers, alphabets, anything you want to type, you can type with keyboard. There are different types of keys on the keyboard. Some of the keys they have given on your book to identify that keys. First, your key is alphabet keys, and alphabet keys are A, B, C, D keys up to Y, Z, and these are 26 alphabet keys on your keyboard. Next is number keys. Number keys are 1 to 3 keys, and these are starting from 0 to 9, and total number keys are 10 on your keyboard. Next is punctuation keys. Punctuation keys are comma, asterisk, comma, question mark, slash, etc. Next are function keys. Function keys are F1 to F2 up to F12, and these are used for different functions. Next is your arrow keys. Arrow keys are left, right, up and down. Mostly the students are using arrow keys for games. So next is symbol keys. Symbol keys are bracket, dollar sign, alpha sign, percentage, hash. These are the symbol keys. Next is special keys. Special keys are shift keys, control keys, alt, del, and then come on the next page, page number 8. First of you all, you have to put your finger on your page number 8. Now let's us study about some other keys of a keyboard. Caps lock key. First key is your caps lock key, and this key is used for typing the letters in capital or uppercase letter. It means they are saying when the caps lock key is on, you have to type the letter, and all the letters will be typed in your capital letter or uppercase letter. If the caps lock is off, then you will type the letter or number in all the letters should be in your small letters. So in this they are saying that caps lock key is used for typing the capital letter or uppercase letter. When caps lock key is on, you can see light on the right hand side of the keyboard. So when you type a letter, then it will appear in capital or uppercase. For example, if you type memory, it will appear on the screen as capital memory. If the light is on, then all the letters of your word should be written in capital, and if the light of caps lock is not on, then all the letters should be written in your small letter. Next come on your second key.